Welcome to August, my friends, and I'm not sure why those lights are looking so funky, but they don't look like that here. Hi, I'm Saralee Hofrichter of SaraleeHofrichter.com, and this month, one tarot card just didn't feel like enough. I picked 3, and all 3 are Major Arcana cards. So this indicates that there's some pretty major stuff going on out there right now, and I hope that you and your family are doing okay. Perhaps you've been feeling some discomfort in your soul. You are ready to make some changes and to up-level your life to just feel better, but you're not clear how or even what you want to do. I get it. Part of getting clarity about your next steps involves, and I know you've heard this 1,000 times, letting go of what no longer serves you. It aggravates me when people say that also. This creates the space for newness to arise. So, the 3 cards I pulled represent where we're coming from, the past, where we are, the present, and where we're heading, the future. So for the past, I pulled 21, Universe card, which is completion. For the present, I pulled 19, Sun, and this is light. And I'll explain these. And for where we're heading, I pulled 11. And in my deck, I call that the flamingo in karmic balance. But in traditional tarot, this is the lust card. All 3 major arcana cards. This is big. So my interpretation of all of these cards is we're in a completion phase. Perhaps you've heard that before also. You know, like when one door closes, another one opens. Well, what happens if you close that door with consciousness and with love, and then open the new door with curiosity and embodied wisdom, and from there radiate your light, and then courageously move forward with passion and joy, welcoming in transformation and trusting that all is as it should be. This is all possible now, and it sounds pretty good, doesn't it? And I want you to really think about our crystal ally this month, which is clear quartz. And it comes in so many different forms, and I sell it in points and in tumbled. Clear quartz is a natural amplifier and embraces the energy of clarity. So I hope you can work with clear quartz this month and let her assist you. And let's hear what her message is directly from her voice. This is clear quartz. Clarity of mind, clarity of purpose, clarity in general. Clear the air, clear your mind. I give power to all of your desires. I help activate all. First, you must become a clear vessel. Breathe in my clearness, my purity of intention. Breathe in my energy right into your veins and let me flush through you and clear the way. I am pure. What a powerful message, and a powerful tool this month to use to work with. You could put clear quartz by your pillow or under your pillow at night, or by your bedstand, or in your pocket during the day, or at your desk. Really engage with her energy and invite in and set an intention for clarity and how to move forward. All right, so may this month be filled with ease and clarity for you, and I'm sending you so much love. Stay well, friends, and I'll speak with you soon. Take good care. Bye for now.